Smoke detector battery replacement. First, please call your central station and have your account put in test. We do not want the fire department coming out to your home unnecessarily. Next, remove the smoke detector. Turn counterclockwise on the bracket. The smoke detector will release. Open the battery compartment. Remove two CR123 batteries. Please observe positive and negative. Second, press and hold the test key for 20 seconds with no batteries in the detector. Let go of the test key. Install new batteries. Place the fabric behind the batteries for easy removal of the batteries the next time. Install cover over the batteries. Next, line up the indexing knot with the arrow on the bracket. Turn clockwise. Then go check the status at your keypad. Your trouble should have cleared.